This is the ECB, the new budget-friendly car hauler from Norstar. Built for the ones who need dependable hauling at a price that makes sense. The ECB gives you the capability you need for everyday hauling with the kind of price tag that just makes sense. Built on a durable 4-inch angle frame with Tandem 3,500-pound axles, it's ready to confidently handle cars, pickups, side-by-sides, and more. With deck lengths from 14 to 22 feet and an 83-inch wide deck, you get the space and flexibility to haul what the job demands without paying for more trailer than you actually need. Slide-in punch plate ramps make loading simple. Stake pockets make tie-downs quick. And removable smooth fenders give you extra clearance when needed. Finished in a clean gray powder coat and equipped with dependable components throughout, the ECB delivers practical performance at a budget-friendly price. The Norstar ECB, built for the job, priced to win. For more information, visit norstarcompany.com.